10 super strange beauty hacks that actually work. 1. Can't afford fancy nail brightening products? Use toothpaste instead. You can easily bring life to your nails using a simple home product, toothpaste. Just apply a thin layer of whitening toothpaste to your nails and wash it off after 10 minutes to diminish yellow tones. 2. Reuse banana peels for teeth whitening. While it's a bit unconventional, did you know you can use banana peels to whiten your teeth? It's much cheaper than dental visits and whitening toothpaste, with bananas being affordable pretty much everywhere, and won't harm your teeth in any way either. Rub the inside of a banana peel, the pale yellow stringy bit, on your teeth once a day for a week. Make sure your bananas aren't overripe, or there won't be any results. 3. Soft, shiny hair complimentary of your local bar. If your hair is feeling more dull or dry than usual, try a beer. While it's primarily a drink you partake in at barbecues or parties, it's also good for hair health, without drinking it. Rinse with any brand of beer you fancy to help condition your hair, it also helps with shine and softness. 4. Lighten dark armpits with potatoes. Ever wondered how you could lighten dark armpits without bleach? Try potatoes. Shred a raw potato and rub it on your armpit and leave it on for about 30 minutes before rinsing it off with water. 5. No more expensive treatments for blemishes. Ever get a pimple the night before a big event? We sure have. An easy solution is to crush an aspirin with a spoon, mix it with distilled water, and then finally mix it into a paste. Once you're done, apply it for 5 minutes and then wash it off gently with water and a washcloth. It should remove inflammation and redness from your trouble spot then and there. 6. Keep your shoes fresh. To avoid any smelly shoes from the summer heat, add a tea bag to each shoe. Keep them in a dry room temperature or cold place in your house for effectiveness. Make sure to take them out in the morning unless you'd like to walk around with a shredded tea bag in your shoes. 7. Soft hair. For really soft hair, a good recommendation is an apple cider vinegar rinse. Although apple cider vinegar isn't exactly known for the best smell, it does work wonders. After you shampoo your hair, rinse it with 1 part apple cider vinegar and 2 parts water instead of conditioner. It will smell quite strong, but the smell does go away after the wash and it's worth it for how soft and smooth your hair will turn out. 8. Use olive oil as a makeup remover. Waterproof eyeliner and matte lipstick can be pretty hard to remove, even with wipes, but oils can break them down without having to struggle with wipes. Olive oil can remove eyeliner and lipstick in a single swipe. Just make sure you don't get any in your eyes and wipe off the oil afterward to avoid breakouts. 9. Very nice. Having issues with stains on your teeth? Use strawberries. The acid in them breaks down any stains and is a natural whitener. Wash a strawberry and then rub it on your teeth before brushing them. 10. Avoid thigh chafing. Especially in summer, a lot of people have the problem of thigh chafing when wearing shorts, skirts, or dresses. This can be solved by using deodorant. Just rub it on your inner thighs where you usually chafe and say goodbye to the pain and hello to flowy dresses. This can only apply for stick and roll-on deodorant and isn't advised with spray as it's less effective and harder to apply. We thank you so much for watching. If you've liked the video, give it a thumb up, don't forget to share with your friends and subscribe to our channel.